Hey y'all, this is the sewing machine that I use to make my wigs. This is a Singer traditional sewing machine. You can find it at your local Walmart, Amazon, or Joann fabric. This is the only machine that I have used so far, but there are other brands that you can choose from. So I will be showing you how to thread your machine. The first thing you want to do is thread your bobbin, and you'll find your bobbin in the compartment on the bottom. You're just going to take that out and you're going to open it. Once you open it, you're going to find a plastic bag on the inside, and it's just different tools. And you're just going to take out a bobbin. It's see-through and it has holes on it. It has about 4 holes. The next thing you want to do is grab your thread. I got my thread from my local beauty supply. It was $2.97. It's by Coats & Clark. You want to make sure it's all-purpose thread and it's 100% polyester. Now you want to get your thread. My thread is already on top. I'm going to grab my thread and bring it over to step 1. Step 1 is a silver clamp. You're going to place your thread under the clamp and around step 2, just like that. Now you're going to take your bobbin. Remember, the bobbin is a see-through piece. Inside of the bobbin are holes. You're going to take the thread from the middle of the bobbin and out the top. Next, you want to put your bobbin on top of the metal piece, which is on top of your machine, and turn on your machine. There's going to be a switch on the side. You want to make sure that light is turned on. Now you just want to push your bobbin to the right. I also want to show you the pedal. The pedal is also included with the machine. You're just going to place that on the floor. That is how your needle moves, and that's also how you will thread your bobbin. You're just going to step on it. It's just like driving the car. You're in control. So once you step on it, your bobbin is going to thread. And I'm also going to show you another way you can thread your bobbin that's a bit easier and quicker for me. So what you would do is you're just going to hold the thread in your hand and just place your foot on the pedal. I did run out of thread, that's why mine looks like that, but you would just keep going until it gets full. Okay, so now let's thread the machine. So you're just going to take the thread back to step 1, which is under the clamp, and then around step 2. Then you're going to bring your thread straight down, around, then you're going to go up around that silver piece and down again. Now for the next step, there's like a latch underneath. You're just going to place your thread above that latch. I will zoom in so you can see it. You're just going to place it right on top. It's right above the needle. Okay, so now the last step, you're just going to take your thread and insert it in the needle's hole. Okay, so you're going to grab the thread that's on top. You want to make sure that the string is hanging on the right side. You're going to open up a little part on the bottom, and you're going to take out a silver metal piece. You're going to place your bobbin inside of that silver metal piece. You want to make sure that the string is hanging on the right side. You can tug on it a little bit. You want to make sure that it is spinning clockwise. And on the side, there's going to be some latches. You want to place the thread through those latches and place it back inside of your machine. And just push it back in, it'll go right in. And on the side, there's going to be a needle controller. You do want to turn that towards you, but you want to grab the thread that's up top and turn the needle controller towards you, and the needle is going to go up and down. So what it's doing is you want the thread that's on top to catch the thread on the bottom, and that is how you thread your machine. And you're just turning the needle controller towards you, and you're just going to grab that thread that's on top. Just tug on it. You're going to see a loop form against the silver metal piece, and then you're just going to pull it until both threads come through the machine.